Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to House of Toy Story 5 exhibit in CentralWorld, Bangkok. To infinity and beyond, CentralWorld opens a House of Toy Story 5 to welcome the toys home at CentralWorld, Bangkok. The wait is finally over for fans of one of the world's most beloved animated franchises. This is House of Toy Story 5, one of the year's biggest happenings, and a love letter to the living toys that have charmed audiences across the globe for generations. Step through the doors and a whole world of imagination opens up again, ready to sweep you back to where it all began. Wander inside a giant recreation of Bonnie's room, and you'll swear you've shrunk to action figure size in the blink of an eye. Crane your neck at the towering lily pad gate, snap away at exclusive photo spots, and gawp at celebrity-owned collectibles you won't clap eyes on anywhere else. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. A dedicated shopping zone comes stuffed with officially licensed goodies, plushies, keyrings, and the kind of figurines that'll test your willpower. Plus premium freebies for anyone who spends enough to hit the magic number. Please like, share, and subscribe. So round up your friends, wrangle the little ones, and set off on another adventure with Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and the whole crew at the House of Toy Story 5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.